saw the pictures, and it ain't.
It ain't, yeah.
I just realized I did not do an intro for this freaking vlog. Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiki on the scene, and we back. Another, are you dumb? And we here today with a grad shoot. Just watch, enjoy, get some popcorn. If you need any grad ideas, it's right there.
No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. Say me can't let them boy get to me.
Nathan.
In the big move. I like the way. Tough life,
Y'all booked. I'm running late, so nah, I'm vlogging too much. Alright, now it's focusing. Oh, my yo, my finger was in it. Yeah, I just took my portrait pictures, and I did not vlog that because, listen, I was running late, and you know, time we move. Yeah, time is moving, and yeah. But we have another shoot. We have two. That was the portraits. Now we have like the standing up one with the skirt and the dress. I have two outfits, y'all. We parked that way, Maxine. Did we? Was it not over there?
No.
Oh, you're right. You're right. But yeah, I think it gave. Oh yeah, and I saw the pictures, and it ain't.
It ain't, yeah. But you know that though.
I'm crying. No, but I was. Oh yeah, when I was freaking panicking. Like, I wanted it to be perfect, and he was like, just calm down, I'm looking at you, I can't see you, like, I'm gonna do it, I'm helping, like, that's what I'm here for, that's my job. And I'm just like, okay, let me calm down because I'm obviously doing too much. Like, I gotta go in the room and see if I can find my tripod. It was in my room. I was at home. Like, I mean, in my room at school. I'm supposed to just drop it in the car and see if Starbucks is open. What am I doing sitting in the car?
They is not open.
No, they could be, Maxine. They'd be closing this earlier, like, though. It better be. I'm done not playing, like. You always put this out and never put it back up. Like,
my ass does that in my mom's car every time.
Oh my gosh.
I just opened the door. It was closed.
Yeah, I know. Oh. I closed it. That's why I know. My thing is zoomed in. It needs to zoom out. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, there's something wrong with me in real life. Not for fake. I said there's something wrong with me in real life, not for fake.
Not for fake.
Not for fake.
And I'm gonna support it all. It don't matter.
I'm crying. You're dumb. I don't like how this is popping up on this side.
What? Your hair?
Yeah. And there was like a bump over here that I did have to fix, like, before I even like took the pictures. Yeah. I was fixing myself OD, and then he was like, okay, I can see you.
Fine.
Yeah, like, I can see you. Like, it's my job. But like, just because you think it looks okay doesn't mean I think it looks okay. And then at the same time, what's it called? You're like not. We're different cultures, let me say it like that. So you might think it's okay and it don't look good. You know, men don't know like wigs like that. At least if it was like our type, they would kind of be like, all right. But like, they're not, he's not. So, yeah. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, where they be taking pictures. I don't think I'm doing that. Like, look at Maxine in the back. Do a Maxine. doing what Maxine does. I think I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get to my room, or like when I start shooting my other photo shoot.
Just hung up the phone at night. Already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time. Cause I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell faster.
You wanna do the smoke bombs now? Cause I know you on a time crunch.
Let me see.
I want to do two at a time though. That's
Like, do I throw them behind
the white
you?
Nah,
and
the thing-
and the green going across from each other.
How am I supposed to do that
No,
at the
I know
same time?
you can't do
Alright,
that.
so we could do if you want to do it like that. The only thing is you might have to hide behind this little thing right here. I'm not gonna lie to you.
You might
So
still
if out of the thing right here,
It's 90 seconds though.
no, we go. There you go.
This is
Try to
smart.
put your leg out like that. Yeah.
Hi, did you just see something with smoke? Did you just see something with smoke?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, please don't do any more. Was that the last photo?
No.
Okay, yeah, you can't use that here. I'm sorry. It's gonna set off the fire alarm.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank
I'm
you.
sorry.
Thank you.
I had a feeling. I'm like,
Yeah, that
nah,
smell
it's
was
gonna be
strong.
smoke. Why does it keep zooming? What you did to it, Maxine?
I didn't do nothing.
Oh. Alright, y'all, just finished. Now we dropping Maxine back. But yeah, them photos.
Take down.
Bro, and he was so nice. Can you record? I know if you don't want to show your face, that's fine.
Yeah, I'm not done right now, y'all. So y'all gonna see her.
I feel like it looks so dark. Like it's nothing. Like it's nothing. Like it's nothing. Longest light ever. Nah, no copyright. But this is the longest light, like, and I gotta make a U-turn. Y'all, that freaking photo shoot, A+. Shout out to my photographer, 18K Productions, New York City area. Yeah, I'm taking selfies. I saw the sunlight. You know how you take mad pictures and you only still like some, like one or two? Dang, it's not focusing. That's cute. I think I'm done. I had like a really nice one that I like only one, like what? Like this one. Oh, yeah, eat. This one. Eat. I'm funny. Let me go inside. Drop the stuff, y'all.
Yeah, I'll be sending it to you like tomorrow.
Y'all, what a successful shoot, y'all. Like, today really went as planned, and I'm so happy. Like, prayer is key, y'all. Yeah, it was supposed to be 65 and raining. I was like, God, can you fix that weather for me? Yeah, it was 81 degrees with sunshine, no clouds. Like, what? This morning, like, I went to sleep, I dreamt. Yeah, I had seen a verse in my dream. So when I woke up, it didn't even say the verse name, it just had the verse in my dream. So when I woke up, I went to go look at the verse, y'all. Yeah, let me tell you what this verse said. Like, say, this is Matthew 3:17. And a voice from heaven said, "This is my son whom I love. With him I am well pleased," Lord. Yeah, I'm on the right track. I'm on the right track. Because why would that verse pop up in my dream and then I go and see the verse and that's what it says? Like, I gotta stay on the right path. I really do. But I just wanted to share that with y'all. And this is the end of my vlog. I graduate in 2 weeks, but I took my pictures today. It was really successful. The smoke bombs, all parts of it. Like, I'm just so happy, thank God. Like, and it wasn't as stressful as I thought it would be. Like, I'm not too overwhelmed right now. Like, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and tune into my next video.